Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Hello, Baron. Could you possibly be here because you want to lick my scones plate? The scones were delicious, by the way, and I've really been enjoying the jams too, though I did not taste the rose or the lavender in either of those. Hello, Winnie. The flavors have been repeating. Have we made it through all of them already? And I still haven't eaten my first chocolate peppermint because I haven't had another cup of hot chocolate yet. I did buy some things at the grocery store that I didn't show you, a bunch of candy and things like that, and some of it was to make Paul cookies for the assignment from yesterday. Where is day 8? Here it is. Excuse me, madam, are you planning to do the read for us? On December 8th, 1949, three brothers, I think that's supposed to be were, digging for clay at a tile factory near, I don't know how to pronounce that, Bulgaria. Fate, however, had something special in store for them. At a depth of about 6.6 feet or 2 meters. Can I help you? I'm gonna move the calendar there because these two are pulling some antics. Particularly the floofy one. At a depth of about 6.6 feet or 2 meters, the brothers found more than 13 pounds, almost 6 kilos of solid gold carved into elaborate shapes. The, I don't know how to pronounce the name of that town, treasure, as it is called, dates all the way back to the 4th to 3rd century BC, making it priceless. Mission 15. Imagine the excitement of a child discovering a buried treasure at the playground. Find a box that can survive for a little while in the ground, place a treasure of some sort inside, and bury it at a nearby playground. That's a really fun idea. You'd have to be careful about that, and I don't think that's one that I'm going to do. However, maybe one of you would like to do it. That's really fun. Or mission 16, leave some coins for someone to find at a vending machine. That one I can do. That would be easy for me. We have a vending machine at work and one at the apartments here. I don't carry coins around with me. When I get them, on the rare occasions that I use cash, I put them in a little jar in my closet. So I could do that. The Filofax year at a glance. This thing, it folds out and you can see the entire year on one page, which is super helpful. And I use these, I buy them every year from Filofax, and I use them to track different health things. And it's a little pricey for what it is. It's like $10, but totally worth it for me. I've been buying these for 5 years or more. Well, they're on my chair, but at least they're finally not in it, so I can actually sit here. Baron, did you disappear? There you are. Hello, Baron. I think I already said, but those scones were delicious. I wasn't sure about the mix. I don't usually bake things from mixes. I usually make them from scratch when I do it, but that was really good. Scones are a lot like our American biscuits, similar texture. These had a little sweetness to them, and they were perfect with the jam. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that I bought that clotted cream at the British market, and I discovered this morning that you need to let it sit out and get closer to room temperature and not just take it out of the fridge and expect to be able to spread it, because it gets hard like butter, and then it rips apart your delicate scone. This will be my bag of the day. I have 3 of these in different colors, and I almost never carry them, partly because they're so floppy. It's sort of difficult when you're trying to find something because it just collapses on you. But I got these 3 bags in the leather market in Florence when we were in Italy, and I love them. I will never get rid of them. So that's what I'm going to carry today. And I picked the gray one because I don't wear gray very often, or gray handbags. I love them. It's just like the burgundy. I love them. I'm drawn to them, but I don't wear them very often. Baron, are you all right? So I want to wear it to get in the habit of doing that. And since that's so floppy and has no organization at all, it needs some organization. So I've put my things in pouches. I have this fluffy pouch that I got last year at Target. Inside here is my Louis Vuitton Agenda PM, a pack of tissues, and my Chanel card holder. I also have this cute little pouch with a dachshund on it. It's from a brand called Cat's Eye London. And here I have my YouTube makeup, including my little Chanel kabuki brush. Someone gave this to me years ago, and for the life of me I can't remember who it was. I have a few people who I think it might have been, but I'm not sure. And then I have one of the Chanel drawstring pouches from the beauty samples when you order from Chanel Beauty. And in here I have my extra vlogging things, like my little ring light, extra memory cards, and extra camera batteries. I have a few recipes I want to make, and I got stuff to make Paul cookies, so maybe I'll make those cookies. Sorry, I said the C word. I need to stop doing that around the dogs. I also have stuff to make spaghetti, which is it's easy, but it takes some time because I let the sauce simmer for a few hours. So if I make that, it may not make it into this vlog. It might be in tomorrow. Otherwise, I don't know what else is going on. It's about all I have planned. Hello, Baron's butt. Hello, beautiful Roxy. You're so gorgeous. You're beautiful. Hello, handsome boy. Mwah. I love my dogs. They're the best dogs. I love you guys. Everybody else does too. You're world famous. Is that exciting? Are you excited to be world famous? What would you do if one of your fans met you in person? What would you do? Would you be nice or would you be snobby? Would it depend on if they had a cookie? If they had a cookie, you'd be nice to them, huh? Until the cookies were out. And then all bets are off. All right, well, I'm going to get packed up and head to work. Hello, Roxy. Who left their shoes here? Are those my shoes? Are those my dog walking shoes, Roxy? I hear your brother. There he is. Hello, Baron. Hey, where are you going? You going to get my cart for me? Thank you. I appreciate that. Good morning. It is the next morning. Vlogmas Day 9, but I had to add this into Vlogmas Day 8 because, oh my god, all the things I said about Yota in yesterday's video, just like I suspected, really got to her head. Please make sure you go watch her video just to see what I'm talking about, but don't say you weren't warned. Hello, Roxy.